Okay, everyone, now for my low carb potato salad. Again, that is being made with this cauliflower. And by the way, you guys, I used the frozen, okay, for the sake of time. So I've already pre-cooked that. And to it, I am going to add some of these onions and some of these dill pickles. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna finish putting together this sauce. Okay, you guys, so to this bowl, I have added the remainder of the egg yolks. All right, into this, we are going to add our spicy brown mustard, our mayo, and then our chives. Some fresh ground pepper, and go ahead and give this a mix. And you guys, just that quick, this is our sauce. So I'm gonna add some of this. To my cauli. Give it a toss. And there we have it, you guys. Our tangy, keto-friendly potato salad. Give it a try and let me know just how much you love it by giving this video a thumbs up, like, please to share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, you guys, and please do enjoy. I'll see you soon.